Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Today is March 16th, 2015. It's about 11 a.m. In the morning, and welcome to our live Forex scalping session for today. Of course, before we get started, please read and note the disclaimer that you just saw on your screen. So guys, another great day for our live trading. The market was not very active today, so we only had a few trades that we did take. Today was one of those days, you know, hit and miss. The three particular trades that we took, we pretty much broke even from what we left off on last week Friday. So it was kind of up and down, but overall our account, I think we did just about $100. The market was really slow, which is very typical for Monday. There wasn't, on top of that, a lot of news that came out today. Therefore, the volatility of the market was very low. And then the trades that we did take, they were mostly breaking even trades. I believe we had one of the three losing trades, and the other two pretty much we broke even on. So not much going on, but you know, it's 11 o'clock, actually 10:30, and because the market wasn't moving like it usually does, there weren't a lot of opportunities for us to get into newer trades. And like you know, we only trade between 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Those are the hours that we dedicate to trading, and that's because that's where the system, the HyperFX system, our system really lets us get into the most high probability trades that will go in our favor. So if the system is really slow and it's not giving us a lot of entries to get into a particular trade, then we just kind of sit back and say, you know what, we're just going to end our day on a positive note. So rather than having a losing day and getting into trades that you normally wouldn't, just because you're bored and and you just kind of want to do something that you're not supposed to, that's not something that we recommend, and definitely not the way we trade. So it's very important to know that if the market's not doing what you think it normally does, and you're not getting a lot of opportunities to enter proper valid trades, then it's better to just close out the trade that you're in and just leave for the day. There's going to be another day, tomorrow, I'm sure. Usually Tuesdays are very active, will be another day, so it's absolutely fine for us to just leave and then just exit those trades and then look forward to trading again the next day. So typically we trade, like I said, Monday to Friday, the U.S. Open session between 7:30 to 11. There are other opportunities we find during the day. So after 11, there are good opportunities. It's not that we don't trade because there aren't good opportunities, but the only thing is that if you are in a trade, you're going to be sitting in front of your computer for a much longer time. I remember in the beginning when I was learning the system, I was in one particular trade and I had to really sit there on that one trade for 6 hours, and it was exhausting. It didn't really do it. At the end of it, I really ended up maybe taking $100 or a couple $100 in profits. To me, that's not something that excites me. So I rather just focus when the market is volatile, it's doing something, and I'm getting many opportunities to really get in and get out and take my smaller profits, and just kind of, because everything adds up. So we take about 3 to 5, typically no less than 5 trades per session. So if we say we're going to do about 0.5% per trade, then we hit our target, which is anywhere from 1 to 3%. Of course, there are days when we have much higher profitable trades than those, but typically that's our goal. So I rather take those trades when the market is really doing something and just be in and out quickly. It's exciting, and it kind of keeps you on your toes as well, and you're in and out quickly. So the system really allows us to do that. And we don't want to really mess with that. So again, you can trade other sessions. There's the evening session, the Asian session that you can trade. Again, the same system, the HyperFX system, will work on that as what time frame as well. it's just up to you what you're comfortable with. Usually I like my evenings, I rather do other stuff than trade. Morning time works absolutely perfect for me and for a lot of people, so that's what we stick with. The trade that you're looking at, the last trade for the day, the third trade of the day, pretty much again we broke even, not much going on. We're going to show you the balance, which should be coming up. So just about $100 and something up from last Friday where we left off, and again we were absolutely fine and thrilled with that. We still ended the day on a positive note, so absolutely happy about that. And we'll be back tomorrow. It's another great trading day, so until then, happy trading, guys.